transforming your aerial landscape videography, travel vlogs, and outdoor adventures into cinematic masterpieces without the regulatory hassle of heavy aircraft usually means transitioning to an advanced, ultra-portable powerhouse. The Potensic Atom 2 Fly More combo, featuring RC PTD 1 controller, 4K HDR video, 3-axis gimbal, and AI tracking, redefines sub-250G drone technology by combining professional-grade sensor hardware, intelligent autonomous flight modes, and an expansive accessories bundle. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its half-an-inch Sony CMOS sensor paired with a full 3-axis mechanical gimbal and PixSync 4.0 transmission system. Instead of struggling with shaky digital stabilization or losing video feed stability over distance, this system captures ultra-sharp 48MP photos, stunning 8K panoramic stills, and crisp 4K HDR video while maintaining a reliable 1080p live feed up to a 10 km transmission range. Performance and everyday versatility streamline epic mountain sweeps, dynamic action shots, and casual weekend flights. Outfitted with AI track capabilities, spotlight, follow, and parallel modes, the drone automatically locks onto moving subjects to execute hands-free tracking. Day-to-day usability is supercharged by native vertical shooting for social media content creation, an AI night shot mode for crystal-clear twilight or evening cityscapes, and the comprehensive Fly More combo bundle, which includes a 60W fast-charging hub, 3 total batteries delivering up to 96 minutes of cumulative flight time, extra propellers, and a custom-fitted travel carry bag. Things to consider before you buy sub-249G regulatory class. Weighing under 249 grams, the Atom 2 falls into the C0 classification category, which exempts it from mandatory registration in many regions. However, you should always check and obey local aviation laws and no-fly zones before launching. Wind resistance limits. While the 3-axis gimbal keeps footage buttery smooth during normal conditions, its ultra-lightweight frame means it is best flown within safe weather margins and should avoid extreme gale force wind environments. So, who is this really for? This advanced camera drone is an absolute home run for travel vloggers, content creators, and hobbyists who want high-end features like 3-axis mechanical stabilization, AI subject tracking, vertical shooting modes, and an extended multi-battery kit without stepping up to bulky, expensive enterprise drones. If you are looking for an industrial-grade mapping drone or a heavy commercial payload carrier, an enterprise-class alternative will better match your operational requirements. Is it worth the money? If you value a featherlight sub-249G design, 4K HDR video, a 10 km range via PixSync 4.0, intelligent AI tracking, vertical orientation shooting, and the massive value of the Fly More multi-battery bundle, it is a premier, highly capable investment for your creative toolkit.